I'm starting applying an eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking a matte cream colored eyeshadow and I'm using it as my brow bone highlight. With a fluffy crease brush, I'm taking the lightest matte shade from the Smoky Obsession palette and I'm using it as my transition shade. With a clean brush, I'm blending the edges. Now I'm taking a medium brown with a blending brush and I'm applying it all around my crease. With a concealer and a lip brush, I'm cutting my crease. Over the concealer, I'm applying this liquid metal by Lit Cosmetics with a bit of glitter base. In my inner corner, I'm applying this champagne glitter and I'm blending them with the liquid metal. Now I'm adding more depth in the outer corner with the darkest brown of this palette. With a black matte liquid liner, I'm drawing a pretty huge winged eyeliner. Now I'm cleaning the edges of my eyeliner with a bit of concealer. With a gold liquid liner, I'm drawing a line below my winged eyeliner. On my waterline, I'm applying a super pale yellow eyeliner. Under my lower lashes, I'm blending the same eyeshadow I used as a transition shade. For my cheekbones highlighter, I'm using the beige part of the Beverly Hills highlighter by OFRA. For my lips, first of all, I'm outdrawing them with a lip pencil. Now I'm applying this peachy pink matte liquid lipstick and then I'll apply a clear gloss on top. So let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Go and check out Ariana Grande's new single because it's fucking amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.